Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and it's going to be another nail haul. You guys know I love nail hauls. I love just pretty much nail everything, but nail hauls specifically, I just love doing them because I like buying things and you know, I just love it, and I feel like you guys love it too. So I didn't buy too much things. I have a few things from Amazon and I made my first purchase on youngnails.com. The obsession has started, okay? The obsession with Young Nails has started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got. And of course, you guys, as usual, I would do close-ups so you guys can actually see other than me just holding it up. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Young Nails because that is what I am most excited about. So I've been like eyeing their things for a minute. Can I just say how good they are? If you don't follow them on Instagram, you should, especially if you're trying to learn how to do nails, because he gets on live pretty much every day and he just teaches so much. Like, he's just so knowledgeable. I think it's him and his brother, I don't know, but I get on there live and it's just so informative. I'm just obsessed. So that's what made me want to make a purchase. And then I went on their site and checked out the pricing and I was just like, hold on. Why did nobody tell me that their acrylic and everything was so affordable? Yeah, there's a few things, like if you want to get into like the drills and everything, that's expensive. But if you want like acrylic and like monomer and stuff, it's so affordable. So let me show you guys everything that I got. So I picked up 4 acrylics. So the first one that I got, so they pretty much look, again, I'm going to put the close-ups. So they pretty much all look the same, like when you open it. I have the Cover Peach because when I was making my purchase, I just went to their Instagram and looked at a few sets, because normally when they post pictures they'll put in the caption what was used, and the Cover Peach looks real nice on like dark skin, so I'm just like, let me try that. So I haven't tried it yet, but this is what it looks like. Again, close-ups here or here. I can't wait to use this. I really don't have that many nude acrylics, so I picked up, it looks like 3 pink 3 pink acrylics. So I'm pretty excited to use this, and I'll put the pricing on the screen too because I can't remember, but I know it was around $12. And this looks like a little jar, but I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. So this is the Young Nails Cover Peach. Also, I picked up the Young Nails Cover Pink. I don't know why I didn't have a Cover Pink in my collection. That's like a staple. So I was just like, oh, let me pick this up. I used it the other day. It's pretty similar to the one I always use by Glam and Glitz. I forgot the name of it, but it's pretty similar to this. So I'm kind of regretting this purchase because I did use this already. I was just like, crap, this looks like the one I already have, but whatever. I'll get a lot of use out of it. This is the one I actually went on the site looking for, and this is the Cover Rose Bud, which this one looks, they all look the same in the jar. This is the Cover Rose Bud. You know what, you guys? I'm going to do swatches for you. I'm going to swatch all of them just so you can see, because I haven't actually swatched these myself. I just hope all 3 of these don't look the same because that's really going to suck. But yeah, Cover Rose Bud. And then this is the one I spent the most time on the site because I was just like, there's so many options. So I ended up getting the Core White, which is kind of like a milky white. They have so many different options. Like, you can get white, you can get Core White, you can get Speed White, or all kinds of stuff on their site. So I picked up the Core White because I like that milky look. And I did, the other day, I did try milk bath nails, and the flowers I had, it just did not come out right. I still have the footage. I may upload it, I may not, but I do want to try it again using this. And I want to actually buy some real dried flowers, because the ones I used in that video, they weren't okay. Do not buy, do not purchase, abort mission. I think I mentioned them in my Born Pretty haul. Yes, I did. Don't buy those. Plastic, hard to work with, a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna try this again. Again, this is the Core White. It's just like a milky white. It's not like that stark white like this container. Okay, so also what I picked up from Young Nails is the, what is this? Resolution. Okay, so they have like these little glitters that you can like mix in with the acrylics, or you can use it on its own and like, you know, put it over the nail for like sugaring or anything like that. I purchased this because they had a set. I'm gonna post pictures. I'm gonna put a bunch of pictures in here, okay? They had a set on their Instagram, and it was this mixed with one of these acrylics, and it was the most beautiful set I've ever seen. It gave it like this nice, like, sparkle, but it wasn't like too boom in your face, and which is what I like. I try to get into the more loud nails now because I'm home, and you know, but for my everyday life I do like a pink nail with like subtle shimmer, nothing too much. Okay, so I do like this. Again, I'll post a picture of what I saw on their Instagram, which made me fall in love with this, but I have already tried this. Obsessed. Glad I have it. Just so bomb. And again, it's just like really finely milled glitter. They have a lot of different colors, but I only picked up this one because this is the one I saw on Instagram, and I was like, wow, need that right now. But I picked up the Young Nails Monomer as well. This was the most expensive thing I purchased from them. I want to say this was $20, I believe, which I wish the bottle was bigger, but listen, I like to use the monomer that matches the acrylic. So that's why I picked this up. I have now four different monomers in my collection, but you know, I'm learning, I'm growing, so I want to learn what works best for me, and if I find I can use this with everything, then I won't purchase so many monomers, you know. So I purchased this, and so far I like it. The smell on this is really low compared to all the other monomers I have, because I do have the Glam and Glitz and the Mia Secret monomer. I have one more, but I can't think of the name of it, but this, compared to them, the smell is very low. So if you're looking for a monomer that doesn't smell as strong, I would definitely pick up this one. Of course, you can still smell it, but it's not as strong as the other monomers that I have tried. Okay, so also while I was on the site, I picked up some nail files and a buffer. So I have nail files in my collection, but I don't have any like really good ones. And when I watch his lives, he just gets in with that nail file, and it's just like the way he just moves so quick with it, and it's just so effortless. And I just really wanted a good nail file, so I figured I'd pick some up while I was on the site. So I did get a nail buffer. You guys, let me just put these down. I have been using this since I've got it. So good. Like, it just makes the nails feel so smooth. Like, you know what a buffer does. It gets like all the scratches out and it smooths all over the surface. This is a good buffer. I want to go on the site and buy 15 more. Like, I'm probably going to get about 4 more. But you guys, it's so good. Like, I know you think like a buffer is just a buffer. Like, no, I have about 4 or 5 other buffers that don't compare to this. I don't know what they put in this thing, but you just real quick over the nail, and you can just see it just like transform. Like, I wish I would have got more than one of these, but and it's cheap. Again, price on the screen. I want to say it's like $2 something, maybe $3, $4 at the most, no more than that. And this is just so good. Obsessed. Love this. So I also picked up a 180 grit file, 2 of the 100 grit files, and then the 150 grit file. I don't even remember purchasing this, but I have one. 150 grit file. Yeah, you can't go wrong with a good file. I have only tried the buffer and the 100 grit file, and so far, love it. Obsessed. Quality is just amazing. I want to say this was $2, $3 too. But I'm obsessed with their site. I'm going to be back on their site again very soon. In the shipping. Okay, so I ordered while all this was going on, like, you know, the coronavirus. So I figured though it's going to take maybe 2 weeks to get to me. I ordered on a Friday. Tuesday morning, it was at my door. So listen, and they're understaffed right now because most of their employees, of course, are off. So there's not many people in the warehouse, and I still got myself on time. Amazon, listen, I'm going to be on Young Nails all the time buying things, and their customer service is really good because I had a question, so I called the number that they gave me on Instagram to call, and they just answered like right away. So if you're looking for some good nail products, definitely check out Young Nails. Oh, I have one more thing. I haven't actually opened this yet. Let me open it. So I picked up a striper brush, like a striping brush. So you guys, if you guys saw like my last video where I did like the black and like the encapsulated black hearts, I like drawing on my nails. I'm trying to get into more like hand drawn art, so I needed something that was thinner because the brush that I used in that video is just a random brush from Walmart and it's not as thin. So I wanted to pick up an actual like striping brush, so I picked up this one from Young Nails, and it's super thin. I cannot wait to use it. A little pricey. I want to say this is about $8, I believe. Pricey for a brush for me anyway. Yeah, I picked this up. I haven't used it yet, but of course everything you guys will see in my videos coming up, I will use everything and let you guys know how I like everything as well. So I think everything else I have is from Amazon. A few of these things you guys have probably most likely seen in some of my videos already because I've been like using it, and I've just been waiting to accumulate more things so I'm not just throwing out, you know, haul videos with like 4 or 5 products. I want to have a good amount of products for you guys. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to talk about, because I have already showed this multiple times on my channel already, but I really wanted to get on here and talk about it. I'm not going to pick all of them up because it's too many, but it's going to be these glitters that I got from Amazon. You guys seen on my channel, I want to say I have maybe 3 videos with these already. Obsessed. I want to say I got 16 of them. Let me get the pricing. Okay, so it's 16 glitters, a bunch of different colors, and it was only $9. Listen, these are some good quality glitters. I am dying to use this one. This is the green one. Cannot wait to use this. But anyway, 16 glitters, a bunch of different colors. You guys, if you saw on my channel, I did a video using pretty much all of the blue ones from this set. Just love these glitters. They're really good quality. They give great shine. Compared to like the glitters I just picked up from like Walmart, these ones are definitely better. They are marketed on there for like body glitter, face, hair. You can pretty much use these for anything, but for the nails, bomb. It also helps you save money as well. If you want to do like glitter acrylic, you can just use your clear acrylic. You guys know I stand for my clear acrylic. Use your clear acrylic and just mix it with the glitter, so you're not just spending so much money. It helps you save in the process, because I know building your nail kit is very expensive. Links for everything that I can find, which I should be able to find everything, will be below. Next, while we're in the bling, I got some nail AB crystals. So I got some AB crystals from Amazon. This one didn't come in here. This was actually for some nails. I just put the smaller ones in here for storage because it came like a little bag, and once you open it, it was just like open. You couldn't close it back up. So I put it in here, and I'm just loving this for the storage. I'm glad I kept these. So yeah, keep your old nail containers because you can like store things in it. But this is what they look like. Super pretty. You get a bunch of different sizes, and then you get a bunch of different shapes in the larger stones, and then the shine on these is really good. I have used these, I want to say maybe 3 or 4 times now, and the shine just stays. Even from me washing dishes, you know, I put a little bleach in the water, they still stay. The shine is still there. So I actually really like these, and these are from Amazon as well. Next, from Amazon, so I picked up the Model One's nail foil glue gel kit. Mouth full. And it came in a set of 2, and this is what it looks like. I wish it would have just came with 1 because I really don't need to, but whatever. So what you do with these is, if you guys, I don't know if this video is up yet. It will be up before this, right? The video before this, you just put this on your nail, you set it, and then you go in with the nail foil, and it's like transfer. So it's like for the transfer foils, for them to stick to the nail. This works really good. I love this. I want to get more transfer foils, but right now I only have like, you know, like the gold and the silver, and then I have like a marble one, which the marble one, it didn't really work that well. I tried it, but it didn't work that well. But I want to pick up more because I want to do like some flower ones. So that's why I have these ones, and I can't wait to try it. But if you're looking for a good adhesive for your transfer foils, pick this up, Model Ones, and you get 2 of them. Okay, so also, I'm not sure about this purchase yet. For Mia Secret, I picked up their white acrylic powder in French 3D. And it's literally just white acrylic, like stark white, like whiter than this jacket, like white. I just find Mia Secret acrylics really difficult to use. A lot of people like them to start out with because they are affordable. For me, I don't think they're beginner friendly. I find my Glam and Glitz to be a lot more easier to use, and also the Young Nails acrylic. That's just me. Maybe I would try this with different monomer. I don't know if it's the Mia Secret monomer, but it's really runny. So for beginners, you know, it'll be running off the side, and it's not the easiest to work with for me. You guys let me know down below, because I'm pretty sure that's what most people start off with Mia Secret, but I haven't had the best luck with them. And then yeah, but I picked it up. I'm going to give another shot with a different monomer, but yeah, I picked up the acrylic, the white acrylic from Mia Secret. All right, lastly, oh, is that it? Yeah, that's it. I picked up another acrylic brush. So this brush is by Pana and is the number 8 oval Kolinsky brush. If you guys seen like my last few videos, I was using this brush. I am using this brush. Obsessed. It is so good. The quality is just really good. Acrylic brushes are expensive. I think the cheapest I've seen one is maybe $15, $20. They're pretty expensive, but if just invest in a good quality one. I do want to get the Alpha Brushes one, but I don't like paying for shipping. I'm just gonna put that out there. I don't like paying for shipping, so that's why I haven't purchased it yet. But I definitely do want to try that out. But in the meantime, this Pana one has been working really good for me. The biggest brush I have used so far is the number 8. I do want to get into the number 10, but I'm just like, you know, baby steps till I get there. But I love this brush. It will be linked below. I believe, oh, the brush I was using before this was by Model Ones, which was okay quality, but this one's definitely a step up. So if you're looking for a good brush, I will have this one linked below, and it's by Pana. And that is it, you guys. I do have some more orders coming in from Amazon. I ordered things, I want to say 2 weeks ago, but they're like doing this thing where they're only shipping out essential items. So some things are taking a little longer to come in, which, okay, I get it, but I will have another haul coming up once I get all of my things in the mail. And yeah, you guys, please let me know down below what you guys want to see on my channel. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. While you're here, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.